What's it like staying in a solo studio on NCL's newest ship, the Norwegian Aqua? First we'll tour the solo studio and lounge, then I'll tell you what it's like on board and highlight the best spots. The carpets have triangles to help you navigate. They point forward so you know if you're headed in the right direction. The studios and lounge are a private area only open to those staying in the solo studios. I'm staying in 12503. They have 34 solo studios on deck 12 with 3 hallways. Each hallway has a door into the lounge. On deck 13 there are 39 studios and there's a private staircase that leads down to the lounge on deck 12. When you enter the room, put in your key card in the slot to power the room. This is where you can set the temperature and put up a do not disturb or make up my room alert at the door. There's a ship map with your muster station location in case of emergency. These solo cabins are 94 square feet with a twin-sized bed. The bathroom is in a separate area with a step up to be aware of. There's a small sink with some counter space and shelves, along with a mirror and soap dispenser. There's a light switch that lights up the mirror and a shaving plug. The shower door can be used to close off the shower section or the entire bathroom area. It has a nice modern marble look. It's a decent size, about 3 feet by 4 feet. It has a line to hang clothes to dry and a tall shower head. It has shower gel and shampoo, so you need to bring your own conditioner. There's a 32-inch TV on a swivel that can move to a comfortable viewing spot. There's a lot of space under the bed to store suitcases. I just have a carry-on, but you could fit 2 large suitcases under there. There's a lot of storage space in this room. You have drawers, shelves, there's a safe in here. There's no fridge. Plenty of open shelves and an area for hanging clothes, and another closet area where you can hang more clothing. There's a desk with a stool, so you can work here or do hair and makeup. The hair dryer's right there. At the desk you have 2 North American outlets, 1 European, a USB, light switches, and the phone. There's an automated wake-up alarm that you can set up. There's a little shelf space to charge a phone up here with a USB outlet and light switches. There's a reading light right here. On the TV they have a good selection of on-demand movies, some favorites, some classics, and some animated. They also have a small amount of on-demand TV shows, some live news channels and NCL channels, and a live video feed from the bridge. They also have new movies that are pay-per-view. Now let's check out the lounge area. There are 3 sections. 2 of them have comfortable lounging areas with tables and outlets. That's a live feed from the bridge at the port in Miami. There's a sink, hand washing station, and this is the kitchen area. This exclusive solo lounge area includes a nice selection of food and drinks. They refresh it often throughout the day. If you have the beverage package, you can tap your card and pour your own beer, wine, or soda. Sometimes it looks like it's an extra charge, but it's all included if you have the drink package. They should have a red wine option instead of that rosé. They have ice and water, and these are the sodas they carry. The food here is usually fruit, breads, pastries, and cookies. Lemonade or orange juice. I love the coffee machine. You can get cappuccinos and lattes. It's so much better than at the buffet or the restaurants. On your last morning before departure, there's no food or coffee available in the studio lounge, so go to Hudson's for a nice, full-service breakfast. If you're traveling solo and want to meet other solo travelers, there are nightly solo meetups where you can meet up to go to dinner and shows together in a group. You can find these meetups in the daily freestyle guide that is brought to your stateroom every day. A lot of the solo travelers were there to enjoy a nice relaxing vacation and do what they want when they want. Cruisers are a really friendly group, so you'll meet people everywhere you go, and you tend to run into the same people with similar interests. I met several people that I ended up sitting with at dinner, lunch, a show, and an excursion. The solo lounge is a great place to hang out. Some of my favorite things on the Aqua are the great seating areas and views on Deck 8, Ocean Boulevard, and the Observation Lounge on Deck 17. My favorite restaurants are Indulge Food Hall, where you can order from a large variety of restaurants. The food is really good, and they serve it quick. I also loved Palomar, a Mediterranean seafood restaurant. They had really fresh and delicious food. My favorite shows were Elements and the Fleetwood Mac Rumors show. Both of those were in the theater and were standing room only. They don't have reservations for any of the shows on board, so you have to get there early to grab a good seat. Going solo on the Aqua is a great experience. Please subscribe for more travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!